Hello everybody, welcome to another Valheim video. Today I have a quick shout out to introduce you and invite you to a building competition that's in roughly 2 weeks. This event is a 24-hour build challenge that is hosted by the Planeswalkers. They've hosted many of these kinds of events and they're really fun to work with, so I'm happy to recommend them to you. If you participate, I'm sure you'll have a blast. This build competition is themed around a seaside village, and it occurs on the 23rd to the 24th of this month. And I'll be one of the judges there. So if you're interested in joining, all you have to do is check out the Planeswalkers Discord channel. Once you're in the More Gaming Discord, then you can get to know them a little bit, and also check out the events section here. They have a lot of events with different games as well, if you want to check that out. And then they also host these recurring kind of build challenges and build competitions. So if you'd like to be involved in a Valheim building competition themed around a seaside village, then check out the Planeswalkers or More Gaming's Discord and get involved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the competition. Bye-bye.